of our aspiring candidates wearing our themed outfit for today, K-pop attire. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome back our candidates in their K-pop attire. Fantastic team outfit. They showed us, I think deserves a big round of applause. Isinang wala pa tayong kamay. Diyos mio, sampung nagagandahan at nagwaba po ang mga hunks and babes. Ang maglalaban-laban ngayon, napaka-init na hapon na ito. Talaga ramdam na natin ng summer. At syempre, lalo pang pag-iinitin ng 10 candidates ang ating stage ngayong hapon na ito. Muli maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanonood, to all the fans out there. Visit us around the complex, of course. Tignan natin mabuti kung gaano kaganda at kagwapo ang mga hunks and babes natin this afternoon. Pero syempre, sa mga suki natin, alam nyo na sasabihin ko susunod. Pansamantala ko munang aagawin ang mga hunks and babes natin as they need to prepare for the next segment. Alright, hunks and babes, you may proceed backstage and prepare, of course, for the next attire. Thank you so much. Palakpakan ulit natin ating mga Summer Buddies Quest candidates this afternoon. Alright, grabe. 10 beautiful and handsome candidates will be vying to be given a chance to move on to the grand finals, of course, of Summer Buddies Quest on its year 15. And ladies and gentlemen, this is our 5th elimination round. Muli isang napaka-init at init talaga ng hapon. Wala na kayo mamasahin, init talaga ngayon. Siyempre, nakikita ko na naman ang mga nagagandahan at nagagapuhang natin mga fans here at Easy Cultural Complex. On the way po, ayan si Kuya, nanonood din. Magandang hawal po, Kuya. On the way to the upper floors, I am AC Aguilar, of course, the resident host of this once in a lifetime pageant sa ating Metro Manila. Dahil inaabangan lagi nating pageant taon-taon, di ba? On its year 15th na po, ladies and gentlemen. And speaking of our resident, since I'm a resident host, we do have our resident panel of judges. Starting with our first judge. She is the Events, Sales, and Operations Manager of Talents Manila. Palakpakan po natin, Miss Jen Kobe Venancio! And syempre, ang napakahusay na fashion stylist and designer. Lagi po siyang booked sa kanyang mga gawain at syempre sa kanyang mga gowns, sa kanyang mga suits. Napakahusay, walang iba kundi si Mr. Jonathan Alegre. And last but not the least, lahat na nakikita niyo po would not be possible if not for the man himself. He is the Managing Director of Talents Manila, none other than Mr. Carlo Martin. They will be our resident panel of judges na talagang mahihirapan ngayong hapon na ito. At sino nga ba ang pipiliin nila sa 10 candidates natin? We do have 4 hawks and 6 babes. Diba? It's actually very rare that we get to see more babes than hawks. But this afternoon, we are truly blessed dahil syempre marami talaga sumaling mga kababaihan. And of course, later on, I'm sure mag-i-even out yan or probably mas marami pa in the near future as the summer is really coming to us. And our criteria for judging is as follows, starting with physique and body proportion at 40%, personality and character 30%, team presentation 20%, audience impact 10%. That will be a total of 100%. We would also like to thank our dear sponsors, Madison Bay Beach House, RT14 Fragrances, Marcus Swimwear, at syempre sa inyo pong nandito na every Saturday walang sawa sumusuporta sa ating event na Summer Buddies Quest. Maraming salamat po. Gustuhin po namin ngayong imbitahan lahat ng i-like and i-follow ang ating Facebook page. Just type in Summer Buddies Quest Year 15. So, marami na po Summer Buddies Quest ang nakalipas. Tignan po natin ang ating profile sa ating Summer Buddies Quest. Dapat po ito po yung makikita natin. Summer Buddies Quest Year 15, 2024. If yun po nakita yung profile sa ating Facebook page, that is the page that you need to follow for this year, 2024. Alright! Eto na. Kamustahin naman natin yung mga panonood natin. Kahit isang linggo na naman na nakalipas. Natutuwa ako. By the way, mention ni Sir Chester, of course, our choreographer. Also part of DBM. Napanood niyo yung Becky and Ballet. Napanood niyo yung Becky and Ballet last weekend. So nakakatawa yun kasi diba medyo panahon natin yun eh. Mga pinag-usapan doon yung mga 90s. Tapos nagsimula pa yung music Working Girls. Diba? Kung natatandaan nyo, yung pelikulang Working Girls, of course, pinulit-ulit na lang during that time. Tapos ito naman, star of course, si Uge at si Pokwa. Tapos lahat ng mga lines doon is Vilmanian and Noranian. Di ba? Pareha sila Vilmanian and Noranian. Sino ba dito yung Vilmanian? Mataas ang kamay. Okay, Vilmanian. Sino yung mas Nora? Nora o Nor? Noranian. Okay, mga Noranian. Aray ko, dos Noranian. Nakakatawa, pareha silang magaling, pareha silang napakahusay. At syempre, si Miss Vilma, talagang nagtuloy-tuloy ang kanyang karera hanggang sa politics. Hello po, magandang salamat po. Ayan. Ito, gusto ko lang din po i-promote, of course, ang ating brand na nag-sponsor po sa atin. Pakibalik po muna ang aking pag-email. Ayan, so binigyan na ako ng ating dear sponsor ng ating pabango. And of course, thank you so much, Sir Carlo. Ipopost ko din na pag-stay namin doon. Sana lang malibre na ang schedule dahil kakamaliw ang schedule ng buhay. Ito po. So you may follow them on their Facebook page. Just type in Marty14. That's MARTYX15. So XIV po yun. So Marty14. Roman numerals. So may mga iba-iba silang branding. So this one is, parang we say it's pronounced as Jovi. Yan. So meron diyang inspired the perfume by Dior. Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say that one. Pero yun, so inspired by that perfume. Napakabango po itong pabangong to. As much as I would like to spray right now, may babango po kasi ako. I-spray na. But don't worry, next week I'll wear this scent na. So I'll be wearing Dior inspired by Marty 14 fragrances. You can follow them on their Facebook page. Follow me second. Itong size na to, it's around 250 pesos lang. Diba? Tapos 30% oil-based daw to according sa ating researchers. So napaka-potent nun. Even they also have scent for women. So perfect also pag may mga perfumes. Diba? You all know yung original Dior perfume is roughly around 12 to 14,000. So ito po, can buy it at 250 pesos. Amoy at kapit na amoy ng Dior. Alright! Ito, natuwa ko, sabi niya kanina. Hello po, hi brother, what's your name? Chris! Hi Chris, I'm Chris. Thank you so much for being here. Are you supporting anyone from our candidates? You're a talent agent also. Alright, so are you scouting any talents right now? Oh, nagdala ka din for summer bodies. But this time around, nanonood ka lang. You're just watching first, then you'll be back. So, alright, we are very much excited for your comeback, ng iyong pagbabalik. So, sana makita na natin ulit ang mga nagaling mo Hugs and Babes. Yes. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa pag-suporta, Chris. Okay, sabi mo kanina ikaw ay Vilmania. Ay, Duranian ka. Sorry, Duranian. Nakakatuwa. Anong pinaka-paborito mong pelikula ni Nora Honor? Car Contemplation. Oo, hindi ko makakalimutan yan. Pelikulang yan, napag-aabag ako ng kabataan ko. Tinanong ko ang magulang ko. Nagtatanda ako, sabi ko sa nanay ko, Mama, bakit gano'n ang hustisya? Hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin ang hustisya. Oops! Makamitin naman. Ayan, yung vitamin floor contemplation, di ba? Napakagandang ba? Napakahusay na ginampanan ni Miss Nora Honor. Maraming salamat. Okay, alam naman yung tanong mo pakati ko. Sa nakita mo, ang dami pagpipiliin ngayon, ang 6 na babes at 4 na hunts. Very rare that we have 10 candidates this time around. Talagang bumabalik na ang mga candidates sa pagsali ng ating Summer Body Space. Sino sa palagay mo ang nag-catch ng eye mo sa kanilang K-pop attire? Yung talagang, kumbaga nadala nila yung anyong sa'yo. Napakain ka na samgyupsal. Sarap naman ito. Ang sarap naman. Parang gusto ko siyang takingin. Ganon. So, sino sa simulan natin sa babes? Meron tayong 6 na babes. Sino sa kanila yung medyo nag-stand out na para sa iyo? Number 1. Bakit? Ano bang meron si number 1? At tila napansin mo siya at mas na-akit ka niya ang baga. Very Filipina, but with a K-pop thing outfit. Gusto ko yan. So, na-fusion niya, kumbaga, yung pagdadala. How about naman sa humps natin? We do have 4 humps, napaka-guwapo at napaka-kisig talaga. Sino sa kanila ang nag-catch ng eye mo? Number 2, okay. Bakit? Para sa'yo, anong meron si number 2 at siya ang napili ko? Para lang to sa K-pop attire. Marami ba tayong attires na pagpipilian right after this? Pero bakit sa K-pop attire si hump number 2 ang napili ko? Oh, I understand. Right? Usually kasi sa Korea, napakalamig talaga, di ba? Ang sarap ka umawat nito layer on layer, di ba? Subukan mo gawin sa Pilipinas, for sure. Pwede ka na sumali sa summer bodies. Thank you so much, Chris. Maraming salamat. Alam mo, isa sa mga dream ko yan, pumunta sa ibang, bilisan, fairness, pumunta sa ibang bansa, tapos pag layer-layer, di ba? Sino na yung tumataya sa bingo na sa tayo?
Ready na siya.
Oo nga eh, ikaw talaga. Doon yan ka, Vilmania.
Sharon!
Sharon? Ay, relax kasi yung kumain ng lunch ko.
Bago na ko tuturugin siya.
Thank you so much for sa interview kita mamaya. Namiss kita. Alright, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, hindi ko na patataganin pa. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome back our candidates in their formal attire. 18 years of age. She has 5 feet 5. And she dreams to be a finance officer. And now we have babe number 4, Trisha Valdez. Trisha is 23 years of age. She has 5 feet 4 and she dreams to become a flight Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome babe number 5, April E. April is 18 years of age, she has 5 feet 7, and she dreams to become a lawyer. 1, John Philip Morse. John is 24 years of age and has And now let's welcome on number 2, Edgardo, Austria. Edgardo is 24 years of age. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on number 4, Andre Gonzalez. Andre is 24 years of age and is 5 feet 7, and he wants to become a seafarer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome back our home senpays in there. Indeed, one of the most elegant and unique portion of every pageantry. Palakpakan naman natin ang naman candidates, ladies and gentlemen. It truly looks stunning, diba? At tulad na like yung sinasabi, this is my favorite part of our competition, the formal attire. Iba talaga pag naka-heels, ating mga kababayan, of course, naka-formal wear, ating mga guys. May sense of, may sense of dignity, parang may stature, kumbaga. Alright! Once again, palakpakan natin ang ating mga hunks and babes as they truly glowed up in our formal attire. Alright, hunks and babes, I know everyone is excited to see you guys on our next segment, kaya you may proceed backstage once again and prepare, of course, for our next attire, our all-star sports wear. Alright, thank you so much, hunks and babes. Nakakatuwa talaga. And all I can say this time around, most of the time, na hino-host ko yung entong pageant natin. Nothing against, of course, sa ating mga hunks, di ba? Pero karaniwan, mas matangkad yung mga guys kaysa sa girls. But this time around, iba na yata yung kinakain talaga ng generation ngayon, di ba? 10 years ago, may mga 35, these girls are 24, 32, di ba? Iba yung generation, ang tatangkad na talaga ngayon, di ba? Even NBA players, even basketball players, parang normal is 7'2", 7'4". Mga freak athletes na talaga. So, I'm sure in the near future, we'll be seeing more and more hunks and babes na talagang towering na talagang matatangkad. Kita mo talaga beauty queens, mga Mr. Universe na talaga yung level natin. Alright, so tapos na tayo ngayon sa ating formal attire. And now we move on, of course, to the All-Star Sportswear. This is a new attire, of course, that was introduced by Talents Manila last year. Para sa mga suki natin, wala tong attire na to. But this time around, we want to revamp, we want to reinvent. Kaya talagang meron tayong bagong attire na in-introduce. Alright, so here in the back, of course, are all our past winners. All 4 elimination rounds, we already have several winners. We have a total of 9 for our hunks. We have a total of 9 as well for our babes. Sila yung makikita natin on the grand finals that will be held on June 15. That will be held on June 15. Alright, thank you so much sa pagpapaalala. And syempre, ang ating fashion show will be held on June 9. That is also, June 8, I apologize, June 8. So June 8 will be the fashion show. That's a first as well for the Summer Bodies Quest. Dati wala rin tayong fashion show, but this time around we'll be having one as well. And syempre, ating grand finals will be on June 15. And habang umiinit ang panahon, gusto lahat namin kayo imbitahan sa ating Madison Bay Beach House, one of our dear sponsors. You can follow them on Instagram, you can follow them on Facebook. Makikita nyo rin ang kanilang post sa TikTok. I just recently watched it. It's a beautiful, beautiful place overlooking the beach. So it's a perfect place for the family. You can rent the place as a whole or pwede nyo rin sila i-rent individually. So they have 6 cabins currently right now, but looking to expand soon. So yun, again, pwede nyo pong i-book yun individually at pwede rin nyo pong i-book as a whole. So kung gusto nyo po as a family, nandun na kayo mag-enjoy, pwede. Kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-wedding by the beach, of course, pwede. Talents Manila can also help you organize your wedding. Even your debut, kung mag-propose kayo, pwede yan. And of course, birthday celebrations, that is perfect as well. And syempre, maraming salamat din sa Marty 14 Fragrances. You can follow them on their Facebook page. Also, they are selling fragrances inspired, yung mga pabango nila. So thank you so much. They gave me one inspired by Dior. Alright, then syempre ating Marcus Swimwear. And sa mga nais mo pong sumali, syempre sa ating Summer Bodies Quest, you're 15, whether you're a male or a female, age 18 to 25 years of age, pwede po kayo sumali sa ating competition. Lapit lang po kayo sa Talents Manila or sa Isidro Rama Complex and you need to fill out some forms. And syempre, you have to be physically fit and very, very confident about yourself para naman may chance kayo to move on to the grand finals. Alright! Ngayon, kamustahin ko ulit ang ating mga manonood. Dapat din ako kanina in-interview ko yung side na to. This time around, I'll be going to this side of the stage, sa ating left side. Siyempre, idol ka na naglilip ng lip balm mo. Ang init na ba? Sinech?
Maraming interview dyan.
Oo, marami nga interviewin dito. Sure, ito muna yung interviewin natin.
Oh, yeah!
O, diba? Linggo-linggo naghahanda to. Ito na, mga kaibigan. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very blessed to have her here, joining us on our 5th elimination round. She is none other than
Claudia Shea Zobel.
Claudia Shea Zobel, ang taray. Nasuot-suot ang kanyang bagwa. Oh, diba?
Imos Cavite.
Kaimos Cavite. Ano ba ito? Inspired din kay Sakido? Nakaka-compete ba yan? So, pasen, mahinang imagination ko. Akala ko bagwa. Diba? Pag nakita ko yung mukha ko, makita, diba? Swertehin sana ako sa bago. Okay, bakit ka napunta dito, Miss Shane? Ayan, ito po si Miss Shane. Si Stella at saka si Shane. Taray, oh. Picture po namin. Ito po ay Summer Bodies Fest Year 4. And year 15 na po. Kidding aside, of course. Alright, Shane, bakit ka naman napunta dito all the way from Imos Cavite? Anong ginagawa natin?
Kasi gusto ko manood, sabi ni Stella, sabi ko, ay, ang daming tao. Ngayon ako nakapunta dito. Sabi ko, mga tao. Gusto naman doon ng Summer Bodies Fest, the year 15. Para humanga sa mga kapanagan. Pagpili nyo ng mapapanagunan. Sa grand final, mga kapanagan.
Ang taray. So last week, ikausap mo si Stella. Tapos magkaibigan niyo yung Stella. Meron bang chance na magkasabay kayo ni Stella? Pwede ikaw si Stella. Ang taray, doble ka. Aabangan ko yan. Dalawa ka. Interview ko si Stella dito sa kabila. Tapos sa kabila si Shane. Oy, ibang klase. Si Stella Forma. Ibang klase. Alright, Stella. Being you are as an artist, di ba? Sorry, si Shane ka na pala ngayon. Sorry, Shane. Nalilito na ako. Alright, Shane. Bilang isang artista ka, anong mapapayo mo sa mga ating hunks at babes na syempre nangangarap din na maging model, maging lawyer, maging flight attendant, o iba sa kanila yung gusto kayo mag-artista? Anong mapapayo mo sa kanila?
Papayo sa kanila ng mga bagong na masanay sila mag-ensayo sa mga artista, ipakita sa direktor, sa mga tauhan, mga kaibigan nila, matulungan sila para maging artista.
Ang taray ng bayan ni Shane, humingi ng tulong sa mga direktor at kapwa-artista at mag-ensayo pa para talagang mas humusay. Okay, tanong na kita ngayon, Shane. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Nausap mo yung sarili mo, si Stella at si Shane. Ikaw din, kumusta yung bahay mo?
Bahay namin maayos, naging magandang pinaupahan.
Okay, tanong na kita, Shane. Alright, Shane, sa 6 na babes at 4 na hunks natin. Kanina, ang napili ni Chris sa mga hunks natin at sa mga babes natin. Sa babes, si babe number 1 ang napili niya. Ikaw naman, sino ang napili mo sa 6 ng mga babes natin?
Only number 5.
Number 5! Only number 5! She made it very specific, ladies and gentlemen. Why? What about number 5? At pinili mo siya.
Ibang-iba sa mga kababaihan, siya ang pinaka-sexy, pinaka-maganda.
Alright. Once again, para sa mga judges, para sa mga nakikinig na hunks and babes, ito ay pulso lamang ng mga manonood. Ito po hindi makakapekto sa ating mga karado. Tulad na sinasabi na beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Para kay Shane, si babe number 5 ang kanya napili. Dahil ganun ng sexy para sa alright. E para naman sa hunks natin, meron tayong 4 na hunks. Sino sa 4 na hunks ang napili mo?
Araw number 2.
What? Number 2 eh? Bakit? Ano bang meron sa'yo si number 2 at siya ang iyong napili?
Napili ko pa ng mga pili. Number 2, marami ang mga.
Pinili mo kasi baka mapili, kaya pinili mo.
Napili ko dahil magandang katawan, basking, kaya lalaki-lalaki.
Ayun, nalito naman ako kasi sinabi siya. Pinili mo kasi talagang maskulano. Lalaking lalaki. Laking lalaki. Okay, maraming salamat, Shane. At syempre, baka mag-move on sa nasunod na round, ano mo bibigyan mo para sa kanila? Para, kumbaga, mas mapansin mo pa sila, mas mapansin mo pa sila. Kasi kanina, mas napansin si Big number 1, ikaw si Big number 5. Anong kailangan gawin ng ibang mga bigs para mas mapansin sila? At syempre, mas umangat ang kanilang kaseksihan at kagandahan para sa mas lumabas pa ang kanilang kagwapuhan at pagiging match mo.
Kagalingan ng kanilang pag-ensayo. Para pakita natin huwag tayong mahiya dahil sa ibang tao nagagawa rin yun. Kailangan ipakita at piliin silang manalo.
Thank you so much, Shane. Maraming salamat. Ano mga po natin? Shane, okay lang, Shane. Last week kasi si Stella kumanta. Between Walang Hindi. Eh si Shane naman, for sure kakanta rin. Ano ang alay mo sa aming kanta, Shane?
Sana'y wala nang
Sana'y wala ng wakas. Kasi gusto ko yan, diba? Sana'y wala ng wakas ang Summer Bunny's Quest. Pagtuloy-tuloy hanggang year 60. Madami, no? Na maalam na ako dun siguro. Year 60? 15 pa lang ngayon eh, di ba? Nagtaon na ako ng 80. Uugod-ugod na ako. Bakit tinutulungan na ako ng Miss General at stage? Okay, sige, ikanta mo na sa amin yan. Sana'y wala ng wakas.
Kung pag-ibig ay lumipas,
Tama na!
yun ay pag-asa, tuloy ang pag-ibig, saksi kung may niyas, saksi kung may
Oh, hindi mo na kami na! Stop! Tama na!
Maraming salamat po natin. Shane Lopez! Alright, ayan. Nakakatuwa naman. Ito yung naman akong kaibigan na nandito. Hello mga kapatid. Ito si Madam. Ay, tama naman. Last week yun nag-meet ka. Ngayon, ay last weekend ka ngayon. Ayan. Mamaya interview kita ha. Oh, ikaw yung pang finale ko. Ito muna si Madam. At akin last week green na green. Ngayon, dirty green. Dati red. Ngayon, dirty green. Ano nangyari? Ba't ang dumi mo? Eh, hindi ko sinasabing madumi ka, ha? Madumi yung damit mo. Kaya kasi may isipin nila, sabihin nila, ikaw mismo yung dirty. Okay. Nabuhusan ng ink sa computer, natalsik-talsikan ko. Talsik-talsik. Kaya na ako siya na, for being here, madam, gusto ko yung tipo. Talagang green. Bakit green ang napili mo ngayong araw na ito? May color coding ako. Color coding, hawak ka ng kotse. Diba? Dati number coding, yung color coding. Dati kasi color coding, diba yung mga kotse? Yung number coding. Ang taray. Ang ano yung matidamit? Oo, magtase. Matatanong kita. Kung ngayon green, gusto ko bilang pa ako. Ay, natatanongin, anong kulay ng damit mo kasakasakali bukas?
Mayuli!
Di ako na bukas, wala ko siyang gamit. Bukas. Kulay ko, bumad. Walang kulay. Kontong madam pa. Okay, matatatanong kita. Ang alay na kinanta sa atin ay sana'y wala ng wakas. Ayong sa iyo, anong ang iaalay mo sa aming kanta? Last week, ang kinanta mo ay Rain. Kaya naman, anong kakantahin? Beautiful Girl. Why? Beautiful Girl. By Jose Manchan, di ba? Diyos ko, ilang buwan na lang, babalik na naman siya, no? Ang bilis! April na eh, di ba? May, June, July, August. Tapos nandiyan na naman siya. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Okay, sige. Bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy. Palamakan po ulit ang relation. Para kantahin ang Beautiful Girl! Music. Pinakanta ka na, may music ba?
Sabi nung music please!
Wherever I am, you know this song. After a long life again. It was destiny's day. When the finally came, I was annoyed only to find there was me. Wherever I am, I'm afraid of mine. They make me so cold. Like a song in the Lord. I know that our love of you
Dapat lang ha.
is so Lord. No
Kaya mo yan.
Salamat ha. When I think a beautiful girl, pinago na yung lyrics, di ba? Ginawa niya siya hanggang ay! Ang tara, ibang klase, beautiful girl, wherever I am. Hindi ba alam, paano wala natin gawin? Please huwag po natin pakipost yun at baka makapirate issue tayo. Baka lang ba? Thank you so much po for entertaining us. Maraming natutuwa talaga ako. Inaabangan ko itong Summer Bodies Quiz sa every Saturday dito sa Isitan. Dahil gusto ko makasama yung mga fans natin, diba, na talagang every Saturday nanonood. Baka kamustahin kayo, magkakakulitan, baka magsayin. Alam mo, napaka-stressful ng buhay. Diba? Ang dami-dami nangyayari, nakaka-stress. Ito panahon para magsaya ng pagkulitan tayo. Siyempre, i-follow din natin ang mga nag-vlog po natin, mga nag-post sa kanilang mga Facebook page. So, follow po natin sila. Ayan, sir, magandang hapon po ulit. Alam mo, sorry, pasensya mo, ulianin ako. Ano po ulit ang Facebook page natin?
Lucky Regan Bulletin.
Lucky Regan Bulletin. Tama ba?
Lucky Regan Bulletin.
Lucky Regan Bulletin. Ayan, tignan nga natin para matama ko, ma-pronounce ko ng tama. Alright, hello po. Lucky Regan Bulletin. Ayun. Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Follow natin sa kanyang page. Ito rin po, ayan, tinuturo po niya sa likod. Sabi niya, ito, siya po ang may kasalanan, wala na po iba. Alam niyo po, siya rin po ang kasalanan po. Bakit po nagkaroon ng hipag-sitan noon? Siya po talaga ang dahilan. Opo, kaya po binaril si Rizal. Di ba po siya handa? Pero sumigaw siya, Puengo! Yan, nabalik na tuloy. Hindi mo lang, I love you. Ayun, sumit naman. Ang tayo-tangan. Gano'n. Iba po sa malapitan. Sa malayo. Ay, lalaban ka ha, lalaban ka. Mamaya ka! Pag susunod na segment, ano po pangalan natin, sir? Ay, pero nagpo-post po kayo sa Facebook. Hindi rin? Okay. Pero ano po pangalan natin? Deo, yan, si Sir Deo. Siyempre, sa malangit ako, si Sir Deo ang nagbigay career kay Sir Coco Martin. Talaga. Alright, Sir Deo, matanong na po kita. Hindi kita masyadong mapapansin. So, first time po ba natin manood?
No, it's sa akin. Perfect in dancing.
Ay, saglit lang po, Sir Deo. Pinatayan lang ako ng microphone. Ang dami ko daw kasi kuda. Lalo ba na yung mic din na kinaya? Alright, I just need to change mic very quickly. Mabalik ka kita, Sir Deo. Diba? Ayan. Alright, maraming sa. Ito po pala yung perfume na nag-sponsor ko for Summer Bodies Quiz. So it looks like this. This is 30 ml or 250 pesos.
Number 3, kata ko na buy.
May bayan? Okay na pala. Alright, Sir Deo, maraming salamat. Mamaya interviewin po kita. Ito na po, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, gigisingin ko ulit ang inyong mga diwa. Pakinig naman ng palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Come on, Isitan! Let's all welcome back our candidates in this newly introduced wear. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome them back in their All-Star Sportswear! Let's welcome Hawk number 1 and babe number 1. Babe number 1, Bianca Paredes. Bianca is 5'5" and she wants to become a cultural dancer. And Hawk number 1, John Philip Forbes. He stands 5 feet and his talent is dancing and modeling. Let me take you dancing. And now let's welcome number 2 and babe, number 2. Starting with babe number 2, Akira Roa. She is 5'5" and her talent is dancing. And now we have hall number 2, Edgardo Austria. He stands 5'8", and his talent is spoken poetry. And now let's welcome number 3 and babe number 3. Babe number 3, Hazel Cayetano. She stands 5'7", and her talent is singing. And we have number 3, Mark Anthony Pavilion. He stands 5'9", and his talent is dancing. Let's welcome number 4 and babe number 4. We have babe number 4, Trisha Valdez. Trisha stands 5'4", and her talent is dancing. Let me take you dancing. And we have hump number 4, Andre Gonzalez. Andre stands 5'7", and his talent is dancing. And now let's welcome babe number 6. And number 5, April Key. April stands 5'7", and her talent is singing. And babe number 6, Jane Billion. Jane stands 5'6", and her talent is to dance. Easy Cerebral Complex, let's welcome back our candidates, the Hung Cinebaves, in their all-star sportswear. Easy na dalawang busy yung mga kamay ninyo. Pakibaba mo na mga phones at palabakan natin ang ating mga Hunks and Babes in their sportiest and sexiest all-star sportswear. Kita-kita niyo naman, we have racers, volleyball players, diba? Meron pa tayong shooter at the same time. So kita nyo on how they treated. Of course, thank you so much to their managers for being so imaginative as well. Alright! See you po. Take a good look at our Hunks and Babes. But for the meantime po, agawin ko po ulit sila sa inyong mga mata as they prepare for the most awaited segment, of course, of this competition, none other than the swimwear. Hunks and Babes, you may proceed backstage and good luck to the 10 of you guys. Bitin ni English. Yan. Alright, please, magandang hapon po. Easy National Complex. I'm pretty much sure ito na po ang inaabangan ninyong lahat in the next few minutes. Papasok ulit ang mga Hunks and Babes at paliliyabin na talaga nila ang tablatong ito as they showcase their swimwear attire. But before that, syempre, balikan ko ulit natin ang ating criteria for judging this afternoon. That would be 40% physique and body proportion, personality and character 30%, theme presentation 20%, audience impact 10% for a total of 100%. Maraming salamat muli sa ating dear sponsors. That is Madison Bay Beach House. You can follow them on their Facebook page. Just type in Madison, that's M-A-D-I-S-O-N, Bay Beach House. Located po yan sa Botolan, Zambales. It's quite a drive, pero napakaganda naman ang drive sa north po. Walang traffic masyado compared to the south, and at the same time, hindi pa masyado saturated ang north. So tingnan niyo po sa Facebook page, Madison Bay Beach House. You can also inquire kung ano pa yung available dates sila. Bilisan niyo po dahil mabilis po mabook yung mga villas and cabins po nila. And thank you so much to Marty14 Fragrances. You can follow them on their Facebook page as well. That's MartyXIV. That's Roman numeral 414 Fragrances. Meron po silang mga inspiration. Pinakita ko po kanina. They gave me a perfume inspired by Dior. And syempre, thank you so much to Marcus Swimwear as well. Inibitahan po din namin kayo, mag-usap-usap tayo sa Facebook page ng Summer Bodies Quest Year 15. You can like, follow, and of course, share yung ating page na yan. Ito po dapat yung profile pic na makikita po natin. And we do understand, may dami na po Summer Bodies Quest ang nakaraan. Pero hanapin niyo po ito po mismo. Dapat yung Summer Bodies Quest na logo na ito with the year 15. Alright! Tapos na tayo sa K-pop attire. Tapos na tayo sa formal attire. And we are also done with the all-star sportswear. Dito na talaga magkakaalaman. Dito na maglalaban-laban. At makikita talaga natin kung sino may pinaka-confident sa kanilang physique. Sino nga ba yung talagang palilibin at mapapawaw tayo sa kanilang kaseksihan at kagandahan. In a short while, we get to see our Hangsen babes in their swimwear attire. Alright! Ito na, balik ko na si Sir Deo. Kasi, kala ko Sir Deo, makakalusip ka. Hindi ako nakakalibat. Yung memory ko hanggang ano lang, for the day. For the day. Sabi ko iniisip sa buhay. Alright, Sir Deo. Tatanungin po kita this time around. Dahil hindi ko man nanonood dito. Medyo kabisado mo na syempre. Sino ba talaga yung umaangat? Ano ba yung mga tips na mabibigay mo sa kanila? Tatanungin muna kita, sa 10 na nakita natin na babes and sa 6 na babes at 4 na hunks. Simulan natin sa babes. Sino doon sa 6 na babes ang umangat sa'yo pagdating sa ating all-star sportswear? Number 3. Yun. Bakit? Bakit muna si number 3? Bakit napili mo si number 3 na umangat? Iba-iba na talaga. We have number 1, number 5. This time around, we have number 3. Why did you pick number 3, Sir Leo? Matangka, that is true. Diba? Iba yung towering height ni number 3 talaga. If I'm not mistaken, that is Trisha. Diba? Okay, so iba talaga. May pagka-beauty queen at dating pagka matangka. Tapos iba rin pag may confidence, matangka na confident pa. Diba? Alright, sabi mo na-mention mo, may isa pang napili. Sino aside from number 3 ang iyong napili? Number 5 ulit. Yan. Bakit? Why did you pick number 5 to be one of your bets to move on to the grand finals? Sa kulay. Ayun. Siyang tunay, summer na summer, di ba? Talaga, very tan. Yan. Siyempre, factor yan para mas lumalabas yung kaseksyan, yung mga cuts, pagtan. Actually, pag nanonood kayo ng mga Mr. Universe or even yung mga ibang pageants, kita nyo mas nagpapatan pa sila para mas lumalabas yung mga cuts ng kanilang. Alright, so pamunta tayo sa hunks. 4 lang yung mga hunks natin. Pero para sa iyo, sino sa kanila ang nangibabaw, ang kagwapuhan at kaseksyan pagdating sa all-star sportswear? Number 3. Alright. Anong meron si number 3? If I'm not mistaken, number 3 was the one who has a shooting. Di ba? Yung parang bagil-bagil yun. Alright. I forgot what the name of that sport, but we also have that kind of sport. Bakit ano meron kay number 3 at siya ang napili mo, Sir Dave? Importante yan. Confidence. Confident na confident ka sa pagdadala ng iyong katawan at syempre ng iyong outfit. Maraming salamat, Sir Deo. At syempre maraming salamat sa walang sawang niyo pong pagsuporta ng Summer Bodies Quest. At syempre na thank you so much po. You are here weekly. Eto na, tatanungin ko ng aking kaibigan. Ano sasabihin ka pa? Ay, wala. Kakamay ka. Alam ko, sasabihin ko. Ilan birthday mo? Magpapalain niya sa birthday mo yan, sinishare ka ng birthday mo on July 5. Lapit na. Malapit kaya birthday ko. Malapit na ang birthday ko. May darating kayang birthday. Hello yan mga kapatid. Alam ko po, may nangyari at ako'y nandito kami para siya. Alright, kapatid, neto tayo, nandito tayo baka mag-enjoy, mag-relax, tulad ng sinabi ko. Tatanungin kita, sino sa ating 6 na hunks, 6 na babes at 4 na hunks ang iyong napili? Simulan natin sa 6 na babes. Sino sa kanila ang iyong bet? Pagdating lang, of course, sa ating all-star sportswear. For me, number 5.
Number 5. Why number 5?
Confident and beautiful. Morena. I like that answer. Confidently beautiful, morena. Di ba? Once again, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. May kanya-kanya po tayong so definition of beauty. Di ba? Pwede para sa akin, mas maganda si 2 at si number 7. Wala pa lang 7. Si 2 at si 6, di ba? So mga pala, may nakikita kaluluwa. Akin na. Alright. So thank you so much for that one. Pagdating sa hunks natin, sino sa kanila ang iyong napili?
Number 3, confidence.
Iba talaga. Importante yung confidence. Maraming sabi. And last but not the least, hindi ako ng tips sa'yo. Ito na inaabangan natin, swimwear. Ano ang mabibigay mo tips sa mga house and tips natin? Aside from confidence, which is very important of course. Ano ang mabibigay mo tips sa kanila? Baka mas lumabas pa ang kanilang kaseksiyan, kagwapuan, at syempre, mas mapakita pa nila na arapat dapat sila to move on to the grand finals.
Be yourself.
Just be yourself. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Ito na, mabalik tayo on this side of the floor. Tapos na natin interview itong kabila. Ito, natatawa kasi si Sir kanina pa napapantumitingin-tingin. Baka sabi ni Sir, I want to answer. In English, I want to answer. Hello po, magandang hapon sa inyo. What's your name, sir? Mickey, hi Mickey, I'm Ace. Nice meeting you. Ayan, tatanungin kita. First, hindi ka masyadong familiar face din sa akin. Ito, talaga may Dory syndrome na ako. So, kung di ba ako lang yung naaalala ko, tatanong kita, Mickey, madalas ka ba manood ng Summer Bodies Quest? First time mo. Well, welcome here. Well, thank you so much for supporting for Summer Bodies Quest. And meron ka bang kaibigan na sumali? Sino? Alright, there you go. Sino yung kaibigan mo na sumali at sino sumartahan mo?
Actually, sister ko siya and and batchmate ko siya sa pageant. That is standing number 5. And I'm happy na nakita ko ulit siya on stage. And I'm so very proud sa kanya.
Thank you so much. She's supporting candidate number 5. Alright. Now, you mentioned that you are supporting. Ano pwede yung message? Para talaga magtuloy-tuloy. So far, ang pulso ng mga manunod na pinipili lagi si 5. We don't know pagdating sa judges. Pwede iba yung tinitignan nila. Di natin masabi. Pero anong mensahe mo kay number 5? Pakikinig na yun siya sa likod para mas mabigyan pa siya ng confidence. At syempre, talagang galingan na niya. Ito yung last segment natin para mas magpasiklab pa siya sa entablado.
Ayun, basta, alam niya yun, basta, ang sasabihin sa kanya galingan niya, at ipakita niya kasi siya.
Thank you so much, Mia. Just be yourself. Be true to you. Alam mo na daw yan. Kaya mo na daw yan. Girl! Alright! Now we move on to the hunks. Sino sa mga hunks ang napili mo so far? I'm pretty much sure wala kang kailangan sa kanila dahil yung friend mo nasa day part. Hunk number 1, 2, 3, and 4. You also are in the pageant industry. Sino yung sa 4 na hunks ang so far nang ibabaw sa'yo sa all-star sportswear lang?
Actually, wala po talaga. Yes, candidate number 5 po talaga.
Alright, so wala siya napili sa mga hunks, but napili niya sa mga business. Thank you so much for being honest and supporting, of course. Eto na, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'm sure excited na kayong makita sila. 10 ang mga candidates natin ngayon. Ibig sabihin, 10 ang makikita niyong nagagandaan, nagseseksiyan, at tiyak na mapapawaw kayo sa hapon na ito. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, so welcome back our candidates in this 5th elimination round in their swimwear. Once again, let's give it up for hall number 1, John Roland Forbes. Next up, we have hall number 2, Eduardo, Austria. Eduardo is 24 years of age and 5'8", and he loves to play volleyball and to read storybooks. Once again, let's give it up for home number 3, Mark Anthony Pabilan. But certainly not the least, home number 4, Andre Gonzalez. Andre is 24 years of age and 5'7", and he loves going to the gym. Once again, on number 4, Andre Gonzalez. Alright, isitan sa Nakama Complex. Alam ko, busy kayo sa mga bossing nyo. Pero ito na pa rin naman ang palakpak kami kasamang iyawan. Tignan nyo naman kung gano'n ka sexy hump yung mga concept babes natin this afternoon. All 10 of them are truly beautiful, stunning, gorgeous. Every adjective na makikita nyo sa dictionary maganda, ibigay natin sa kanila. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Now, our judges are going to tabulate the scores. And for our contestants, you may relax. Some of you may know, of course, kung ano yung susunod kong gagawin. We'll get to know them a little bit more, but of course, this will not be part of our judging anymore. Ito lang yung chance na probably, pag nanalo sila, they go to move on to the grand finals, mas relax na sila, they get to know how to work you guys out, mas nakaka-relate sila, mas, alam mo yun, iba yung eye contact. And syempre, baka naman may gusto silang i-promote. And you can follow them on their social media pages as well. Quickly pala, the winners this afternoon will get to move on to the grand finals and they will receive 2,000 pesos. For the non-winners, of course, the experience of being with you guys. At syempre, napasaya nila tayong lahat. But they get to take home 1,000 pesos kung sakasakali. Alright! Now, let's start off with the babes. Alright! Babe number one. Alright, babe number one, this is very, very simple. Usually, I just ask you guys what's your name, and if you have social media handles, if you guys do TikTok, if you guys vlog, this is a perfect time we're in. We have so many here that are watching. Ano ba naman yung 100 and 150 you get to follow you guys, and syempre, be a fan of you, di ba? At kung nagpo-promote naman kayo ng businesses ninyo, if I'm not mistaken, may mga nagpapaganda ng seafood dito, ganyan, or nagpo-promote ng mga pills, what do you call this one? Mga enhanced supplements, there you go. So pwede rin yun. Para meron sila dati, type in AC, tapos may 10% discount. So if you want to promote that as well, kindly do so. Alright, and kung sino gusto pala kayong pasalamatan na nanonood, nakapot na yun. Okay, take it away, babe number one.
Hi everyone, my name is Bianca Mendes from Quiapo, Manila. My FB name is Bianca Javier Perez. My IG is
Wait ka lang dyan.
Thank you to Jay Pelicano, to my friend, for inviting me.
Mukha ko panglaban sa bansa.
Alright, so you can follow her on your social media pages. That's, once again, VIAAA Paredes. And thank you so much to her friend as well for inviting her being part. Maraming salamat po. And now we move on to babe number two. Same questions not with everyone. Let's make it very quick and very light. Alright, babe number two.
Hi everyone, my name is Akira Rawa. And please follow my IG account, which is ICYBRL. And follow and do add me on my Facebook account, Akira Roa, AKARAROA. And I would like to thank to my handler po na nag-invite sa akin dito. And sa inyo pong lahat.
Number 5!
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Let's give a hand for babe number one, babe number two. Alright, that's Kira Roa for our handle on our Facebook page. On to babe number three. Alright, babe number three, take it away.
Hi, I'm Lisa. As you can see, guys, I may be not that fit, but I may promise you that I will do more exercise to make sex and more finals if I want to grand finals or sex summer bodies. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sheila. I would just like to say you look truly beautiful, you look stunning. Of course, everyone has their own definition of whatever sexy is nowadays, di ba? But you yourself, you are beautiful and stunning, and you should be truly confident, di ba? Huwag tayo mahiya, di ba? Kung ano, as long as we are healthy with our heart, with our mind, with our body. And meron ko ba social media handles? You do TikTok, Instagram. Kindly invite us as well, Hazel.
Please do follow my page, Hazel Gaetano, and on IG, it's me, Hazel09. Thank you.
Just may hindi na po.
Alright, you can follow her on Sweet Hazel09. That's her TikTok account. Tama, alright! No, may memory gap ko kasi sobrang bilis na. Dami nagsusort information. Alright, now we move on to our next baby, number one, to D4! Alright, Trisha.
Dahil ba yung sinusip niya, number 5? Ayun pa lang, kitang-kita na kinikinang.
Hello everyone, I'm Trisha Valdez from Pangasinan. Please follow
Number
my
5,
Trisha Valdez and my Instagram account is so. And thank you to my
Number 5, galingan mo
Thank you so much, Trisha. You can follow her on our social media page for Facebook. That's Trisha Valdez with a Z. There we go. Alright, good luck to you guys. Now we move on to babe number 5. Same question.
Number 5!
Good evening, everyone.
Oh, di ba? Yung sila.
I'm from Turkey, 18 from Taytay. I would like to thank my team for being backbone and for my beautiful outfit, as you can see.
Go!
Please do follow me on since I'm boasting it. That is
Kumakain ng megaphone!
Thank you for speaking. Thank you.
Alright, that's K-Pi17. You can follow her on your social media pages. K-E-Y-P-I-I-I-E-E-7. That's a lot of I. I'm pretty much sure if you type in on Google na April ilalabas dito eventually. So thank you so much and do support of course babe number 5. Now we have babe number 6. We have Jane. Alright, babe number 6 same question. Take it away.
Hello everyone, I'm Jane and please follow my Facebook account now using
Short and sweet that I can follow her again on her Facebook account. That's Melby. Thank you so much for palabaan natin natin mga babes. Now we move on quickly to our hawks. Alright, brother. Welcome back, I can say. Alright, now you have same question na natin with everyone. So let's make it quick. Baka may mga bago kang ginagawa ngayon. You invite us para naman mas ma-follow ka namin.
Hi everyone, this is Derek Katie Waves. Actually, this is my second time to compete with Isikat.
Alam mo yung number?
Number 5. Pagpalain ko ang different finalists eh. Kinakis na lang po tayo sa finals. Kasi nagkakala po talaga ako and ito na lang po yung force ko sa aming bangis na pinagpupuntikan ko. Thanks sa gym namin, sa Indian Fitness kasi nagkakalimutan ako. Kasi sana po, magtuloy-tuloy na po ito hanggang sa finals. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, brother, that's hall number 1. He already enrolled in gym and he's really committed to going all the way, all into the grand finals. Now we move on to hall number 2.
First of all, good evening everyone. Thank you for staying here for the panel of judges case today. And I'm also Eduardo, or you can follow me on my Facebook and Instagram as Austria. If you want me to know more, can you follow the Team Malasakit of Team Batang Mundo? It's a non-profit organization that we like of many. It's going to be a voluntary regardless of education and community work. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hall number 2, so we do have a charitable, charity. That's Team Malasakit. You can follow that on their Facebook page para mas makasuporta tayo. Alright! Now we move on to hall number 3. May mga sumisigaw dito kasi hall number 3.
I love you!
I forgot to be Pabila from Antipolo, Rizal. Gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan po yung mga tao na kahit hindi ko kilala ay sumusuporta po sa akin. At sana po, kung sakaling tanggapin po niya ako dito, ay sana po patuloy niyo po ang support.
Pasok ka na, Mark!
Thank you so much. Now we move on to hall number 4. Alright, brother, take it away.
Gandang gabi, I'm Andrew Gonzalez from Tangamanila. Please follow my social media account. I am Andre Gonzalez. Thank you.
Ay, mga salamat pala natin ng mga Hawks from hall number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright!
Number 5!
Siyempre, ito na iaabot na sa atin. Topic mainit.
Number 5! Mabubuon ka na! Atras ka na dito! Number 5! After yung book mo!
Kumagat na yun. Bakit bubukotin na yun? Tanda na talaga. Alright, here in my hand right now are our winners for this afternoon. Once again, ang mananalo po will get to move on to the grand finals and they get to take 2,000 pesos. Non-winners, of course, the experience na-expose tayo sa mga vlog natin. Thank you so much for vlogging. At the same time, 1,000 pesos each. Maraming salamat ulit sa ating dear sponsors. That's Madison Baby Shoes, 14 Fragrances, and Marcos Marcos Swimwear. To our judges, palakpakan po natin. Palakpakan natin si Miss Jen Tommy Melancho. Si Mr. Carlo Martin, ladies and gentlemen. At syempre, maraming salamat sa ating choreographer, Mr. Chester of DPN. And the pleasure of passing. Nasa kanya po ang kaban. And of course, last but not the least, to join me here on stage, our fashion stylist and designer, Mr. Jonathan Alegre. Alright. This time around, we have a twist. Tatawagin ko muna lahat ng babes na papasok, then I'll call in the hunks. Alright? Dito po ulit ako sa aking favorite position.
Number 5!
Shopper na. Okay. Easy dance. Easy dance na mga complex. Simulan na natin to. Sino sa palagay niyo ang unang babe na mag-move on sa Grand Finals? Si babe number 5! You are the first babe to move on to the Grand Finals. I'll see you, of course, on the fashion show that is on June 8th.
Number 5! Congrats!
Very quickly, gusto ko lang sabihin, since nanalo ka na naman, good to see you in the Grand Finals. Kind of remind us of Elle, our previous competitor as well. Of course, Elle can be here very quickly. She's going to be part of Miss Universe. Kindly support her as well. Tagay, diba? Ng mga winners natin.
Number 4!
Miss Universe. Eto na, ang susunod na sasali, kay April. Wala ko ba kundi si babe number 1, Bianca Paredes.
Number 5! Number 4.
Di ko po ako tapos. May isang sawa ka po sa kanila. At siya ay si babe number 4, Trisha Valdez. Congratulations to the babes, but I'm not done yet. Di ko po ako tapos. Alright, ang susunod ko magtatawagin babe, ang huling babe na papasok sa Grand Finals. So, other babes, na hindi mo makakasali, maraming salamat po. Of course, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagsali sa fun pageants. And this might be your stepping stone to the next order. Ang last babe na sasali sa Grand Finals ay si babe number 3, Hazel Cayetano.
Ano yan?
Alright, Hazel, we do apologize to Busan and Sash. Dami na nakapupunta.
Number 5!
Now we move on to the hunks.
5!
5? Wala namang 5 sa hunks.
Hams! Lahat!
Bakit hindi mo nakikita?
Ang hams!
Alright! Ang unang mag-move on sa Grand Finals in no apparent order is hunk number 1, John Philip Forbes! To join John is hunk number 4, Andre Gonzalez. Hunks and babes, kindly block off your dates, and we hope we get to see you on June 8th. Alright, I know it's kind of far probably, pero please, I would love to see you guys again on June 8th. At sana, walang mangyari, naman. June 8th and June 15th, pakiblock off po yan. Alright! Gusto ko yung wala, no? Kasi dami ko sinasabi. Hindi na binok mo. Basta na, to join John and Andre is hunk number 3, Mark Anthony Pabilan! Hindi pa ako tapos, isama na natin Congratulations, all of them. We'll get to move on to the grand finals of that show. Thank you so much, Sir John and Talaga, for assisting me. Lahat po sila talagang 2,000 pesos at may chance ang mag-bet para maging ating Summer Boys Quest year. Come and be of the year. This is Ziegler. Once again, we'll see you again next year on the hardest show in the best show. This is Summer Boys Quest year 15. Basta ko yan on this.
Number 5! Number 6!